Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel The Informant. If someone is new to this channel, let me just remind you that we make videos related to online services, placement drives, education and many more. In this video, we will be sharing a very important information of Cognizant. That is, Cognizant started sending New Year gift to the employees. Yes, you heard it right. Cognizant again started sending a New Year gift to their employees. Yes, some of the people have already got the New Year gift, but most of the people they didn't got the Cognizant New Year gift. So in this video, I will be telling when we can expect Cognizant New Year's gift, who and all are eligible for this gift, how to get this gift, will it deliver to our home, some important question which you will be having in your mind. So each and every doubt I will be clearing in this video. And guys, this will be a unboxing video and I won't take much time because I have already unboxed each and everything. So I will be showing what and all things they have shared to us one by one. So it will be a very short video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. I will try to clear your doubt. And guys, if someone has not subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe our channel. So first question, who and all are eligible for this gift? The most important thing is you should be in project. If you are in project, then only you will get a New Year's gift. If you have joined just 3 months or 4 months to Cognizant, then also you will get, but you should be in project. So you you will get one survey mail where you should select New Year gift or team lunch. So if you have selected New Year gift, definitely you will get. But if you have selected team lunch, you won't get a New Year gift. So you will be going with your team and you will have someday team lunch, but New Year gift you won't get. So the main important thing is you should be in project, then only you will get. I think you all clear now. Who all are eligible? Everyone, programmer trainee, programmer analyst trainee, senior associate manager, everyone will get if they are in project. I think you are clear now. How to get this gift? Here in first question only I have clearly told that you should be in project. So if you are in project, your team lead will send you one survey where you need to fill that you want a New Year gift. So then you will get this gift. Will it deliver to our home? Yes, it will deliver to our home. So in our Cognizant portal will be sharing our address where we are staying, not the project location. Where we are staying, there only we'll get. And it's not like you only need to accept that delivery. It's anyone can accept the delivery, just you need to give them code which they will ask. That's all. Before getting this gift, you will get one call that we have came to your location and come and collect your gift, like that. So anyone can collect your gift, but the most important thing is like you need to be in project. I think all your doubts are clear now. Still, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. So let us unbox the Cognizant New Year gift 2024. So let us see what and all they have given. So first they will send this greeting card. Cognizant season's greeting. As you enjoy this festive season with those close to you, we wish you much joy, peace and prosperity. Global Delivery Leadership Team. So this is a card you will get first. So this is how your parcel looks like. So this is the parcel your delivery guy will give you. And so after unboxing, you will get these many things. So totally 11 products Cognizant has shared this year. Some people have got coffee instead of Nutella. So it will be depends on their team which they have given. So if you open that box, you will get this box also, and this box is very good in quality. You can use for your basic things. So this is how your parcel will look like after unboxing. Oh, see here we have got some 4 chocolates, 4 different varieties of chocolates: nutty hazelnut rocher chocolate bar, yoga bar of 2 different varieties. One is chocolate chunk nut and another one is orange cashew, and another one chocolate is milka. So this and all are very good. And one biscuit that is wafer cube. So this is also a very good product. And Nutella. So this is of 350 gram. So instead some people have got coffee powder or tea powder. Some people are getting Nutella. And 3 dry fruits. So they have given of good quality bolas, pista, almonds, raisins. So each is 200 gram, and two new things. Last year the people didn't got these things, so this year they have added two things. One is pumpkin seeds and another one is cranberries. So these two things they have extra added this year. So this is what Cognizant has shared. Totally 11 product they have shared. So this is all about our today's video. So thank you for watching our video. If you feel our content informative, please do like, subscribe, share and stay tuned.